Okay, after a long time I'm recording this video. We are going to show you first the equipment. What is this equipment? This is the cooling tower 4. Okay, here is the two pumps I have labeled ABB, that two pumps. Okay, big one. Three type of equipment means assembly. One is the steam turbine, this one first one, silver one, you can see it, and that after that you see look that one, this one is steam turbine. Okay, after this shaft will be connected with this one. Okay, you show this the DBSC for gearbox and steam. Okay, and next one is that one. Now we doing alignment of this one for shaft alignment, for gearbox to pump, this one pump. Okay, so basically this equipment have two multiple stage for doing the alignment of shaft alignment. So first we do this one, you see that one pump. So that pump is the master. Okay, after master this one, we consider this gearbox is these are driver, this one driven. Okay, so this gearbox, we first the alignment with this gearbox, and next one we the alignment, then gearbox to this steam turbine. Okay, now I am showing that all that detail. Okay, you can hold it when I call you, do it. So now you see the arrangement of this one. Okay, this one basically pump, and this one is gearbox. Okay, and now we are arranging this one, turning this one turning, so our dial gauge will be coming. This one rim and face alignment. This is the process to alignment of shaft, rim and face. Okay, in this arrangement we are using 3 dial gauge. Okay, all dial gauge are 10 mm. So we check the basically reading this one. Okay, what is coming, we take the 3 dimension. This is not aligned shaft. When it's aligned, it's all come to 0 0. Okay, these are all 3. So these 2 will be show the facial alignment. Okay, these 2, this one and that one, and this one is a single alignment, this one radial alignment. Okay, axial and radial alignment, so we will be doing that one. So this one basically first one, move Felix, move one round. Okay, when I am telling stop, you stop it. So this one coming 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular. See that all the reading. This one for dial gauge, for your information, this one pressure 4. Okay, this one coming 78 68. Okay, for this one 60. Leave it, don't move it. 62, and this one coming for axial, it will coming 80. When we will align, this all becomes 0 0. Okay, so this one 90 degree. Now we will be moving one round. It's come 45 degree round. Move, more move. Okay, same we will moving. We are moving from there. This man is moving that shaft. Okay, finish. So now it's become 90. That one come to 90. This one come to. Okay, let's see this one. The reading. Okay, down side we see the reading. We are using side mirror to seeing the reading. When its alignment will be become, then it will be become 0 0. Okay, all these 3 see that reading. Now this one arrangement. These are 4 reading we will taking: 0 degree, 90 degree. Okay, 270 and 270 and 180. Now we are moving from 180. Okay, see this man is moving that one, so it will be moved. Okay, move here side, this side, anti-clockwise. More move, more move, move. Okay. Okay, stop. Now I'm seeing to outside, so we get that reading, what the reading coming. Okay, this is basically this is a big pump. Okay, three type of arrangement. Ah, okay, here side we coming. So we getting 180 reading this one. Okay, basically this one not aligned. If we align, it will become 0 0. Okay, move from downside. So this one Harrison, he will moving this one. Okay, move. Look, you will moving this shaft. Okay, from there, move. This shaft will be moving 0 degree. Okay, okay, finish. Wait. You can see the reading, all three. Okay. So from this side, we getting 4 reading for this. Okay, this pump. So if this pressure will be 0 and that all dial gauge become 0 0 reading, so we understand this one soft alignment will be done. For doing where we will align this one master. Okay, this pump will be fixed by 4 leg. See this one first leg, this one second leg, similarly third leg this one, and that one fourth leg. Okay, so we are aligning this one master, pump is master. See my hand, this one master. Okay, and this driven will be variable gearbox, basically gearbox, you written that gearbox. So we moving this one, there is a seam. Okay, seam slotted, all that seam. Now they will moving, they adjust with these bolts. These are coming upside. Okay, so this one jack bolt, so you can easily slide this one from their side, and this one also that time arrangement. This one inside longitudinal and radial we will align, and this is the fixed bolt where we can fix it. This one jack bolt, so we will move this one gearbox from here. Okay, we are using for moving that one, and this one for closing all that. So when we will aligning, so we will adjust these bolts. Okay, all these bolt to here side, their side, we can move. Okay, and for fixing this seam, we move this one. Understand? This is the basic simple arrangement of rim and face dialing arrangement. For any of shaft, we can easily align. And one more method we are using from this one, because this is a standard of EIL. Okay, so for this arrangement we are using not rim and face, we are using reverse alignment. Basically in Gulf we are using reverse alignment, no rim and face. So in reverse alignment we are using 2 dial gauge. Okay, 2 or 4 dial gauge, it depend on that watch system you are using. So here one dial gauge coming from here to here. Okay, and one dial gauge coming from here to here. Okay, this is the basic funda of alignment of any of shaft alignment. Okay, this you can see this all arrangement. Move one time, Harrison. One that anti-clockwise, not clockwise. Anti-clockwise move. Behind of this nitrogen plant, this one. Okay, little more. Okay, you can see it, the reading. And what is this? These are the fixer we are making for these are arrangement where we can usually use for dial indicator to arrangement like that. We are fixed this one, okay, for radial. Let's see this one moving. Look this one. We can set this one, okay. Now okay, we adjust this one 0, okay. This, if one round it will be moved, so small needle is moved one round, means 8 mm. So basically this one 100 division, so for 1 mm this one 100 division, okay. Same like this arrangement, okay. Look, in 60, now it's 5 to 6, okay. Now it's 7. So if 1 mm move, this all round move 1 round, okay. This one fixture we are making. Here we arrange 2 for facial, this one radial and axial alignment arrangement, okay. Thank you.